this is Alexis's car. This is only the fastest car in Rome, Georgia. She's done beat it up and hit the bottom and broke stuff. Curved the wheels on the other side. And
Bro, put my car.
Hasn't washed in about 3 months.
It's been 1. Oh.
Where we going?
We're in the race car. Oh my god, stop. That scared me. Don't do that.
Oops. That's not my turn signal.
When you're still in that skyline.
Yeah. Still the other car.
Oh, that camera's gonna beat you. Oh, too slow. Oh, where are you going?
You're right here, because over there, there's no intersection. And you're gonna cause no accidents.
I mean, you're about to break our necks right here. I ain't about this camera life because this shit is like. Dang, you dropping money? You don't even care about it?
Nope.
Okay.
I'm leaving it so you can pick it up.
Okay. His uncle's over there.
Can you pull my mats out?
Nope. I'll get out of it.
I don't know, what do you want? Welcome back, guys. So we're working back on the S14 and the tubs. Y'all still haven't seen it. I'm about to upload it either tonight or tomorrow morning. But I did finish the actual tubs itself here. So they're looking awesome. I finished, actually cut this piece out. And what I do, I use cardboard. Let me see if I can find that piece. I'm not even sure what I did with it. But what I do, I get cardboard like this, basically just hold it up to the hole, and I actually even bended the cardboard and marked this little wave right here on the cardboard, and then I flattened it back out, cut it out on sheet metal, and I bent the sheet metal itself on the corner, and I mean shit, it fits pretty damn good. Literally. And basically I'm gonna have to weld like that way. You know? Yeah. Oh. Have to get your face bleeding. Dude, look at that shit, bro. All the way through my shoe. No. Look at that shit. Dead. Oh, that shit burned, bro. And then it stayed in there, so it burned even more. Oh. I guess it burnt into my skin. But what it does? What it does? Oh,
Esas son más chanclas.
What about keys, bro? Alright, so basically, I don't even know what I've done, bro. Besides welding it in.
Yeah.
Basically, I just got spot welds. I got this side, that side welded in, and the bottom over here. All I got left is the inside, and then I'll probably add a couple more spot welds in between these, and then I'll go back with the grinder. So I got the grinder there somewhere. Grind everything down. Now y'all just have to see it once I get it all done. It's gonna be grinded smooth, and I'm gonna come back in with the wire brush everything, and then put a layer of Bondo all the way. Fiberglass or Bondo, I haven't made up my mind yet. I guess I'll see how it goes. But it's getting there. It looks kind of shitty, but I think at the end of everything, it'll be really good. So, or it'll look good. So we'll see. We will see. Welcome back, guys. So basically I just want to get y'all an update on my wheel welds on the passenger side. So I pretty much got it all welded in, and it's pretty much ready for fiberglass Bondo, or metal Bondo is probably what I'm going to end up doing. But yeah, as you can see, I pretty much got it all welded in, and let me see if I can get a good picture from over here. Y'all can see I got it all welded in, and I don't know how it looks on camera, but it looks pretty fucking good. I'm actually really happy with it now. I was like kind of iffy about it at first, and now I'm just like really happy with it and how it came out. So what I ended up doing, I grinded all the welds off up here. So I got all that weld off. I grinded basically all the welds that I had done here, basically to make it flush. All these welds, grinded down, all these. So basically now I'll fill it with, it's like a metal Bondo. It's made for metal supposedly. And basically I'll fill all this in, all these main weld spots. Sand it down or grind it down, because I think actually that you actually have to grind down. And then once I get it pretty set, then I'll go in with Bondo, and then once I get the Bondo perfect, then I'll go in with primer, but or a sealer then a primer. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Like, for watching, like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't, share it to your friends. Let me know how I did. Let me know what I gotta improve. I don't mind y'all commenting and telling me what I do too much, or what I don't do enough, or what I need to do, or what y'all prefer to see. That would actually help me improve my videos to something y'all want to see, and honestly, I really wouldn't mind. So y'all let me know. Like I said, comment. Let me know how I did, or what y'all think I need to do. I'll see y'all next time. Alright guys, so basically alright, so basically
had to start over, bro.